caramel coffee chiller. What I'm gonna be using is some coffee ice that I have right in here. If it ain't sweet enough, powdered sugar, yes. Milk. I have additional coffee. Instant coffee, yes, baby. Vanilla ice cream. 2 caramel sauce. I have this kind. This is kind of thick. And then I also have the syrup kind, the thin kind. I need this as well. Vanilla pudding mix. So that's about it, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, with the thicker caramel sauce, I'm gonna use this to coat the bag. I tell you, it smells just like, you know, those square caramel candies. I don't know if you had it, but I did. Oh, I love it. I have my coffee ice. Now I'm adding some of my vanilla ice cream. My ice cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in my vanilla pudding. Teaspoon should be good because they say have vanilla as well as caramel, so teaspoon should be good. I'm gonna only use 1 scoop coffee because they already have coffee ice. Okay, I'm gonna use two spoonfuls of this other caramel sauce. Oh yeah, I had to put in some milk. I don't know, I forgot. In order to blend it. So I put like a tablespoon and a half. Alright, I'm gonna taste it. Okay, I definitely hit the coffee. I get some caramel. Maybe I just want to add a little bit more. That's good. I don't think I'm gonna need no sugar. You think? Uh-huh. Let's put a little bit more. You ain't got to, but I am. Just mix that up in there. Taste it again. Caramel, like my skin. You better spill out on it. Look good. But then I do. But then I don't. I guess I can do it. Got that little graffiti on there. That look. I don't want to say graffiti because graffiti is just like spray paint anywhere when you're not really supposed to. Just because you think it's art don't mean you're supposed to spray it on any and everything. Decorum. Gotta do things the right way, y'all. Yeah. This is the 1, not the 2, or the 3, or the 4, or the 5, 6. Pick up sticks. In Michelle's voice, you can't beat this with a stick. You pick it up all you want to, but you can't beat it with it. If you seen the other video, I think it was the Oreo coffee chiller. If you see that, watch this first, then go watch that. And I was saying like, I'm more like an iced latte, iced coffee type of thing, more than a chiller, like frozen drink. However, I say the word because it's more of a milkshake base, and I love milkshakes. And as you see, I made this with ice cream. Just the caramel, just the coffee, then just that dairy mixed with it like the ice cream. This is good, y'all. If people don't really use dairy, or they can't have dairy, I guess you can use the plant-based ice cream. Oh yeah, it's first vanilla. Can't really tell it's vanilla in here, but I guess just the flavor of the vanilla and the caramel, it go good together. But you definitely taste that coffee and the caramel. 10 out of 10, baby. Make it. I ain't telling you can't try Dunkin's, but try Tay Dunkin' also. Cause Tay Dunkin' these recipes. Tay Dunkin' these recipes. Tay Dunkin' it. You have a blessed day.